In vocational education lab, we have make a automatic water dispenser.
Yes, no more lifting heavy water bottles. Just put your hand to get water instantly. Stay germs free with touchless water dispensing. Easy for kids, seniors, and everyone in between.
Save money by building your own smart dispenser. Design it your way to fit your needs. Make it truly yours. There is no wastage of water.
Let's take a look at the components that are used in this project. First, DC water pump,
an IC7805,
a plastic pipe or tube,
a container or a bottle,
a power supply or battery,
a LCD screen with 12 columns,
an ultrasonic sensor,
a breadboard,
a jumper wires.
an Arduino Uno board,
How does it work? When a hand or objects come near to the sight distance of an ultrasonic sensor, it detects it. It sends a signal to the Arduino Uno and the relay module. Then the Arduino and the relay switch on. Pump starts and LCD screen display show on the status. When the hand or object is removed or moves behind within the set distance, the relay switch off, pump stops, and Arduino and the LCD screen display show of the status. Now as use it. Again. Thank you.